Hello everyone and welcome to our contemporary math lesson on 4.5. Today we're going to be talking about other methods of multiplication, and these are some early methods. The first one we're going to talk about is duplation and mediation. And here's some steps to follow on how to do duplation and mediation. Step 1, we want to divide the number on the left in half and drop the remainder. We want to double the number on the right, and then continue this process until you have a 1 on the left. So very important that we actually rewrite the problem here. 17 and 30. Okay, so it says divide the number on left in half and drop the remainder. So half of 17 would be 8.5, but we drop the remainder, so we just write 8. Then we want to double the number on the right. So 30 doubles to 60. Okay, now we want to continue this process until we have a 1 on the left. So cut 8 in half, it becomes 4, double the 60, 120. Cut 4 in half, 2, double 120 is 240. Cut 2 in half, we get 1, and then double 240 is going to be 480. Okay, so that's our first step. So rewrite your first problem, cut it in half, and double. Now cross out all even numbers on the left with their corresponding number on the right. Okay, so 17 is odd, so we leave it. 8 is even, so we want to actually cross this out. 4 is even, so we're going to cross out the 4 and the 120. 2 is even, so we're going to cross out the 2 and the 240. Now it says add the remaining numbers in the right-hand column to get your product. So we want to add 30 to 480. And that answer is going to be 510. Now it's going to be good practice to just check your work here. So 17 times 30, and we do get 510, 510. Now again, I know you can use a calculator and you can come up with these answers, but we're just looking at some historical ways that this math computation was done. And so it's going to be important on your assignments and quizzes and tests to show your work so that I know that you understand this process. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try examples 2, 3, and 4 on your own, and then come on back to check your work. Alright, welcome back. Go ahead and check your work here for number 2, 3, and 4. Should have gotten 550, 272, and 168. Now in examples 3 and 4, it's an interesting thing because we had only even numbers on the left side until the very end, and so our answer was just this 272, didn't require any addition at all. Okay, so that is multiplying using duplation and mediation.